It's Hub time, so buckle up. Welcome to the Hub, ladies and gentlemen, where we show you the most interesting and funny videos floating around the internet. Today we're taking a look at some magic tricks, some magic cards, and some magic cars. 3, 2, 1, go! Do you guys know David Blaine? He's a magician and a human body endurance artist. He calls himself a bunch of different stuff. Here he pulled a trick on Harrison Ford where he asked Harrison to think of a card. Then he sliced open a piece of fruit that was on Harrison's counter, and inside was the 9 of hearts that Harrison had thought of. Whoa. Check out this cool card trick. So the magician puts a signature on both ends of the card. Then he rips off a piece of the card, puts that card inside of his mouth, and then brings the card back to life. How does he do that? This is a group of card spinners. I don't know what you really want to call it. They call themselves the Card Wizards out in Singapore, and they do incredible card acrobatics. Look at this stuff. Talk about pushing the human body to the limit. The world record holder for the longest period of time holding your breath underwater was Alex Vendrell here in Barcelona. He held his breath for 24 straight minutes. How long can you hold your breath? I'm like a minute tops. Holding your breath is impressive, but the deepest free dive in the world is also impressive. This is WINRUM. He went 145 meters down into the ocean and then had to free swim all the way back up. Can you imagine the pressure you'd feel on your ears? Ugh. Let's keep shattering those records. This is Evan Unger from Canada breaking the record for highest freestanding jump. Look at how high he got up there. Jeez. How about some applause here for John Gutter of the USA, who broke the record for longest jump on a quad bike. Didn't even know that was a category. This entire stunt was pulled off by Hot Wheels. Shout out to Scully Skeleton and Joey Gamer for leaving us comments. Leave a comment below letting me know which trick was your favorite in today's video, and I'll put it in our next video. Give us a like, give us a subscribe, go to the comment section and tell us how you really feel. Don't hold your breath. We'll see you again real soon right back here on The Hub. Bye.